Hi friends, this is Pritam here from TechToUse, and in this video I will tell you about 4 awesome DIY smartphone camera hacks. This will involve like the very simple household items that everybody has in their homes and will be using for improving photo quality and the video quality on your smartphone. So without further delay, let's get started.
Turning this on, going thing.
We all have spare CDs lying in our homes, and there is one cool trick that you can do with them. You will have to break the CD or DVD into half. I would prefer a CD over a DVD because it get a bit better reflection, but anything will do. And also make sure to back up the data that you have on the CD. And this trick will get you a lot of likes on Instagram pictures. And if you are taking photos and videos of beautiful landscapes or anything that will look great in a reflection, so this will work really well with that. You can place the CD just below the lens or to the side or even on the top and get some nice reflection inside your photos. The reason we are using CD and not any other shiny surface because the CD disperses a lot of colors. We all have candles in our houses, and I will show you how you can use a simple candle to get the best out of lighting on your smartphone. We won't be using the light from the candle itself, but we will be using the molten wax from it. So you guys might have been seen people with DSLR cameras using some kind of diffusers for their flash. We will be also doing the same thing for the smartphone flash. So the basic idea of any diffuser is that you have to increase the surface area that reflects light. So we will be using the candle wax to diffuse the light and we'll be doing for the smartphone camera. So what you will have to do is you will have to light the candle and pour drops of molten wax onto the smartphone flash. So let's have a look at some of the pictures that I took. We all have seen photos with filters on Instagram, but with this trick you will be able to use different filters on the same photo in just one shot. The trick is pretty simple. You will have to put a sellotape on your camera lens and you will have to draw with the color sketch pens over the sellotape. And after that, when you take a photo, it will have some very cool real life filters in it. And the effect that you get with that sketch pens, you can't actually create it in Photoshop or any kind of other editing software. All these mobile cameras can take great pictures, but there is one problem with them. When you take a photo, the background is actually in focus and it is not blurred like in the modern day DSLR cameras. So if you are taking a photo of a separate object, you can actually create a fake bokeh behind it. You can search all these images on Google and after that you can open up on your laptop screen or a TV or any big screen that you have, and then you can take a photo with your mobile. Make sure to keep the object and the mobile little bit close and the background as far as possible. This will give you the best effect and it will create some amazing bokeh pictures. So friends, if you find this video quite helpful to you, then please don't forget to like and share this video. And do subscribe to my channel for getting more interesting stuff like this. So that's it for this video and I will see you in the next one.